So this is G. Next one is without dot. Ha. Next one is Kha because it has one dot up. So there are G, Ha, and Kha. These three letters has same structure, but with the dot we can make difference between the three letters. The first one is Jim has one dot in middle. Second one is without dot is Ha, and the third one has one dot up is called Kha. After that, this is Ha Sa joint shape. We can understand with the shape because there is a shape as this one. This one letter half shape is there. That's why we are understand this is ha and it is without dot. Ha sa. When this one letter will be with one dot and dot will be up when so it will be ho. We cannot say then it ha. This is ho ba joint shape. Ho ba. So this was our second lesson, the joint letters first class. Also join our second class to learn and read other all joint letters. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make this learning journey beneficial for all of us. Jazakallahu khaira wassalam.